Hello everybody, this is the Green Hat Pyro here with a LEGO MOC review. I just built this today. This is the attack helicopter from Battlefield 2. It's not exactly fitting... Oh shoot. It's not exactly, too... It's not exactly too detailed, but I did the best I could. So, yeah, and it even has a little gun. It's propeller's turn. I'm going to show you that here now. So, top rotors, spin. That's cool. It's my first LEGO MOC review, so. And the cockpit does open enough so you can stick a minifigure right in that seat right there. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's a seat right there along with like a joystick to fly the thing. The back propellers spin too. See? The gun under here is based off of a 50 caliber sniper rifle barrel. I put it on there just because it looks cool. What makes this build really awesome is all these angle plates that these angle bricks that I found in my pile of Legos right there. And I had to use a lot of some Technic pieces, some regular Lego pieces. This windshield here, I found out that it's pretty good for this type of build, like helicopters and jets. But mainly helicopters, especially attack helicopters, because it looks cool. Here, there's usually kind of like a light here that shines down on the enemy so you could spot it easier. But I couldn't find a piece that could fit well enough in there to, you know, actually make a light. So I tried a couple of attempts to add landing gear, like using these pieces, but I figured out that they're too big and they stood out on the MOC, so I decided to leave the landing gear out. And yeah. So that was my Battlefield 2 attack helicopter MOC review. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more, and leave suggestions in the comments below to see what MOC I should make next, like a tank or a robot or a mech. Doesn't really matter. Just go ham with suggestions, and I'll see what I can come up with. Alright, this is Green Hat Pyro signing off.